Good evening, guys. This is Tamal Selvan from Great NB. So today in the chemistry session, we are going to discuss about the chemical properties of metals and non-metals. So without any delay, firstly we will get into the topic. So first, the chemical properties of metals. So first one is the reaction of metals with oxygen. So almost all metals combine with the oxygen to form metal oxides. Their formula is metal plus oxygen gives metal oxide. For example, aluminium forms aluminium oxide when heated in air. Their equation is 4A plus 3O2 gives 2Al2O3. So similarly, when copper is heated in the air, it combines with the oxygen to form copper 2 oxide, a black oxide. So their equation is 2Cu plus O2 in the presence of heat gives 2CuO. Okay, so copper plus oxygen gives copper oxide. So generally the metal oxides are basic in nature. So some metal oxides such as aluminum oxide, zinc oxide shows both acidic and basic behavior. Such metal oxides which react with both acids as well as the bases to produce salt and water are called atmospheric oxide, or it can also be called as amphoteric oxides. So metallic oxides are insoluble in water, but some of these dissolve in water to form hydroxide known as alkali. So next one is reaction of metals with water. So metals like potassium and sodium react violently with the cold water. In case of sodium and potassium, the reaction is very violent and exothermic. So their equation is 2Na plus 2H2O gives 2NaOH plus H2 plus heat. So that is sodium plus cold water gives sodium hydroxide plus hydrogen. So the heat evolved is sufficient for hydrogen to catch fire. That's why sodium and potassium catch fire when kept in water. So therefore both these metals are kept in kerosene in order to avoid contact with both air and water. Topic is reaction of metals with acids. So reaction of metals with dilute acid. So hydrochloric acid accepts a few less reactive metals such as copper, aluminium, etc. So all metals react with the dilute sulfuric acid and hydrochloric acid to produce salt and hydrogen gas. So metal plus dilute acid gives salt plus hydrogen. Hydrogen gas is not evolved when a metal reacts with a nitric acid. So this is due to strong oxidizing nature of nitric acid. So it oxidizes, then H2 produced to the water and itself get reduced to any of the nitrogen oxide. So but magnesium and manganese react with a very dull HNO3 to evolve H2 gas. So next one, reaction of metals with solution of other metal salts. So reactive metals can displace a comparatively less reactive metal from its compound in aqueous salt solution or in a molten form. So its general equation is metal A plus salt solution of B gives salt solution of A plus metal B. So these type of reaction is also called as displacement reaction. So next is chemical properties of non-metals. So non-metals do not react with the water, steam or dilute acid. So the reason is that they act as an electron acceptor and cannot supply electrons to the H plus ions of acids to reduce them to hydrogen gas, but on heating readily from oxides or salts with concentrated acids. So non-metals also show displacement reaction like metals. Like chlorine plus sodium bromide gives sodium chloride plus bromine. I hope you all enjoyed the session thoroughly, and thanks for watching and goodbye.